What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the No Wi-Fi Networks Found issue on your Windows 11 PC. It's a common problem that can be caused by various issues, but don't worry, I've got several methods for you to try out. First up, we need to update your network adapter's driver. Begin by opening the Device Manager. You can do this by searching for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hitting Enter. Once it's open, expand the Network Adapter section. Right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. Head over to the Drivers tab. Click on Update Driver and then choose Browse my computer for driver software. Next, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select any from the list and press Next. After the update, restart your PC to see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't solve the problem, let's try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings by searching for it in your Start menu search and hitting Enter. Then navigate to Network and Internet. Here, click on Network Reset. Press Reset Now and confirm with Yes. Restart your PC afterward. Should the problem persist, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the network adapter driver. Again, open up your Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter and go to Properties. Under the Driver tab, click on Uninstall Device and press Uninstall. After your computer restarts, Windows should automatically reinstall the driver for you. If you are still facing issues, there's one more driver update method to try. Return to the Driver tab of your network adapter in the Device Manager and select Update Driver. This time choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Follow the prompts and wait for the drivers to be updated. Additionally, you can check for updates specifically through Windows Update by clicking on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and then check for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the No Wi-Fi Networks Found issue on your Windows 11 PC. Remember, these fixes address the most common causes, but Wi-Fi issues can stem from more specific hardware or software problems. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.